How to troubleshoot a Ryobi lawnmower. The Ryobi Lawnmower is a self-propelled mower with a 48-volt battery that can adjust in height from 1.5 inches to 4 inches for various grass lengths and surfaces. The battery is rechargeable and reduces noise and starting problems and is more environmentally friendly than traditional gas lawnmowers. However, for all the benefits of the Ryobi lawnmower, some problems may arise occasionally during use that owners will need to troubleshoot. Things you will need: wrench, 15 mm, torque wrench, adjust handle assembly. Adjust the handle assembly if the Ryobi mower handle is not at the right height, by loosening the knobs on each side of the handle in a counterclockwise motion. Pull the upper handle up and back to lift up on the handle to the desired height, ensuring the handle snaps into the next location firmly. Tighten the handle knobs on each side of the handle in a clockwise direction to secure, ensuring the carriage bolts are seated correctly. Do not pull or trap any of the cables into the handle when changing the handle height. Recharge the battery. Recharge the battery if the mower will not start or stop suddenly while operating. Remove the mower fuse key from the slot on the motor assembly and open the battery cover. Plug the included charger connector cord into the connection on the mower battery and the other end into a 120-volt electrical outlet. Wait to ensure the red light on the charger illuminates to indicate proper charging, and wait for the red light to go out before disconnecting the battery, which can take from 10 to 12 hours. Remove the connector cord when charging is complete, and close the battery cover firmly. Note that the battery may need to be replaced if the battery is damaged or no longer charges. Readjust the blade. Readjust the blade height if the mower is not cutting grass as expected. The blade should be set so that the lawn is approximately 1 to 2 inches in height in cool weather, and between 2 and 3 inches high during warm weather. Raise the blade height as needed by holding the height adjustment lever on the side of the mower, and sliding the lever toward the rear of the mower. Raise the cutting height if the mower is difficult to push, the mower is not bagging grass cuttings correctly, or the motor stops while cutting and the battery has been charged fully. Lower the blade height as needed by moving the height adjustment lever toward the front. Change the blade. Change the blade if the mower is vibrating at a higher speed than normal. Remove the fuse key from the mower and wait for the blade to stop fully, then remove the battery cover and take out the battery pack. Tip the mower over and lay the mower down on the side, setting a block of wood between the blade and the motor deck. Use a 15 mm wrench to loosen the blade nut in a counterclockwise motion from the bottom of the mower and take out the blade nut, the spacer, the blade insulator and the blade, and set all components aside. Push the fan assembly against the motor shaft and slide a new blade on the shaft with the 2 blade posts connected to the holes on the blade. The curved ends should point up, with the blade flat against the fan assembly. Reconnect the blade nut in a clockwise motion with the torque wrench and then replace the insulator and spacer.